guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have two very cute eyeshadow palettes to share with you guys today. Meet Krampus. Krampus. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is the latest palette collection from Ladybug Glow. They were kind enough to send me this in PR. I do have an affiliate code with them and it is Steff. That will save you 10% off of your order. But these palettes were designed by Kitty Stavern. Did I say that right? Yeah, Kitty Stavern. She's over on Instagram, and this is actually a character that I believe she created. So we have a Krampus Continued, which was like the Halloween palette for this year. So let me give you a close-up of Krampus Continued. So this 9-pan palette is going to feature 4 matte shadows, 3 reflective multi-chromes, and 1 holochrome, as well as 1 duochrome. Now, I do want to point out something about this palette. This shade right here, if you do order Krampus Continued, they are going to send you a single shadow separately from the palette. So you'll get the palette and then you'll see one single placed in the box. That's because this is a very hardly pressed shadow. And so Amanda, the owner, discovered that after production had already started. So the factory is just going to make her singles. And if you order this palette, she will include that single in your order. I haven't received my single yet, but the shade seems pretty workable. I was able to swatch it out without any issue, so I'm not too concerned there, but I'm glad that she checked quality control, all of that, and she's doing that for your customers. So just know, if you buy that palette, you will receive that single separate in the box. Next, we have Krampus Eve. Now, this is going to be another 9-pan palette, more of a Christmas themed palette. This is going to be 8 matte shadows, and then right here in the center you're going to get a very nice shifty rainbow multi-chrome shadow. Now these palettes are going to drop on November the 10th. If I can find out the time, I will have the time in the description box, but each palette will retail for $33. That includes the 10% off discount code that you use, whether you use mine or somebody else. But each palette will retail for $33 each, and that includes the discount code. If you want to do a bundle, it says here that it's going to be $63, but I am not sure. That's probably, yeah, that's with the discount code. So it'll be $63 if you want to pick them both up. And of course, Steff, my affiliate code, will give you 10% off of your order. I'm going to be doing a look with each palette. I'm always excited whenever Ladybug Glow drops some new eyeshadow palettes because I really have been enjoying this brand. It's a brand I discovered this year, and I'm always happy to support small indie makeup brands. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and clearly I love trying out makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all of that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of indie makeup, maybe you're recently discovered Ladybug Glow Cosmetics, please give this video a thumbs up before you go. And as usual, everything that I'm wearing will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links. So if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's get started, guys. If y'all want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create with Krampus Continued and Krampus Eve, keep on watching. All right, so let's start first with Krampus Eve. This is going to be the predominantly matte palette, but then we do have that beautiful rainbow shimmer here. What I feel like doing, because I'm loving this color story, you guys know I love blue and green shadows, but I think I'm going to go in with this column right here, and I'm going to start first with this shade, work that in the crease, then work into this one, and then use this to deepen up the outer corner. And I'm taking this shade on a rougher 15 Max. I did prime my eyelids already with the Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow primer, and I do have an affiliate code with Sugar Drizzle. It is Steff10, and of course that gives you 10% off of your order over there. Now on a rougher 15 mini, I'm going to go into this teal shade, and these are super pigmented. I'm gonna focus that right out here. I love these two shades together. Okay, loving the way this is turning out. Let me get a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with the top shade in this column right here. This is my Refer 13 Max. Don't know how much difference. Yeah, these two shades look very similar. Just place a little bit of it down here. Oh yeah, never mind. That really deepens it up. Now we're gonna go into this beautiful shadow. I'm gonna try applying it with my finger. Oh wow. Ooh, that is pretty, but I'm gonna switch to a brush because I see that it's migrating south. I'm just using my damp Morphe M124 just to have some more accurate placement. Look at that. That is a beautiful shade. All right, now for the lower lash line, I love a shade like this. I definitely want to use this shade, but I think I'm going to go in first with this green, and then we'll use this to kind of tight line the lower lash line. I'm using my BK A504. Did you guys see that BK Beauty is coming out with a new collab, like a professional brush line? Is it Nikki Rose? I forget. Something Rose is her name. I follow her on Instagram and she does some amazing Instagram reels and just posts really good content over there. She's a professional makeup artist, and that is who BK Beauty is collabing with for, I think, for the holidays, right? They did say they were going to send me that brush set, so I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try it out. I'm sure it's going to be incredible. Now, on a Refer 26, I'm going in with that darker green. Perfect. And we'll do that shimmer shadow right there in the inner corner. Using my BH Cosmetics pencil brush, I did spray it. Ooh. Okay, I am gonna go take care of the finishing touches off camera. I will be right back to show you this completed look with the Krampus Eve palette. All right, guys, so here is the completed look with Krampus Eve. This is so cute. I love the way this look turned out. I used Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Skinny Eyeliner to tightline the top lash line. A little KVD, this is their Tubing Mascara, their latest mascara. And then for the lower waterline, an e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick. This one, is it Lava Lamp? Yeah, Lava Lamp. Perfect. I love it. I love this color combination. I love the little bit of pink, like right up here, the mauve. Great palette. You know, I only got to use, let's see, I used 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the 9 shades, and I don't doubt that the other 3 mattes are going to be just as great as the ones I used. Cute color story. You can do a lot of things with this palette. Don't let the all mattes scare you. You can definitely bring in your fun multi-chromes and duochromes singles that you have from other brands, but I thought this was cute inside and out. Let's move over to the left eye and we're going to work with Krampus Continued next. All right, so let's see what we can do with Krampus Eve. No, Continued, sorry, Krampus Continued. I love blue and brown together. I think that is just a beautiful color combination. I think I want to start here with this one. I want to focus this right here on the inner corner, and then I'm going to use this shade and this brown. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'll start first with this periwinkle shade. We'll just really put that in the inner corner, and then we'll work with the other 2 shadows after that. I'm taking this shadow on Again Beauty E01. That is a really, really pretty shadow, blending out so well. Now in a Refer 13 Max, I'm going to go in with this shade. Beautiful. Beautiful. Same brush. I'm just going to clean it off. Now I'm going to go into the brown. Very nice. Very, very cool. Now, I think I'm going to do this shimmer shadow all over the lid, and then I think I'll add either the green or the blue, like right in the center to make it pop. I'm using my damp Morphe M709. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Oh, that's so good. Look at that. Like brown, green or brown, blue, red reflect. Oh, this could be one of my favorite shades. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the dark brown right out here, and a little bit in the crease. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Now for the lower lash line, I think I will do this green right here using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Oh, and I forgot, we're gonna do something on the lid in the center. I'll go back and do that right now. I think I am gonna do, let's do the blue. I'll do the blue. I was tempted to do the green, but I think I'll do the green for the lower lash line. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. I was expecting the first palette to be my favorite. This palette might actually be my favorite. It's just so much fun. I love like all of these grungy tones. So now I'm going to pick up that green shimmer on a Beach Cosmetics pencil brush. The one I just used, I'm spraying it with some setting spray. Pop it right in here. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Very festive. Let me go take care of the finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look with Krampus Continued. All right, guys, so here's the completed look with Krampus Continued. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. Another e.l.f. No Budge shadow stick. It's this blue one right here. This one is in the shade Out of Sight. These are so good. I've said this several times, but these are so good. These e.l.f. No Budge shadow sticks. These are the matte ones. I think they came out last year and they just stay so well in the waterline. Guys, these are the two looks. How many shades did I use in Krampus Continued? I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 6 out of the 9 shades to create this look. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay, guys, well, the verdict is in. I think Kitty Stavern, the designer of these palettes, and Amanda, the owner of Ladybug Glow, did a fabulous job with these cutie pie palettes right here. I love that they're 9-pan color stories. And I love that there's a grungy vibe to both of them. So Krampus Continued, this is the one that I just used on the left eye. You do get a full-size mirror with it, by the way. This is going to be the shade that they will send you a single for. So you can just pop it out and then put the new single in there. But this palette is awesome. I love the color story. Blue and brown is such a fabulous color combination. And the 6 shades that I used in this palette all performed really well. I mean, look at these gorgeous shifty shadows. Oh, they're just so good. Their matte formula is really good. It's pigmented, easy to work with. Krampus Eve, this is going to be your little Christmas palette right here. This is a pretty much all matte palette, 8 matte shades and 1 multi-chrome right here in the center. It's beautiful. These palettes together, and I'm just going to hold them up together so you guys can see, they make gorgeous complements to one another. And I think you can clearly see that. You have something a little bit more bright over here with Krampus Eve, and Krampus Continued is a little bit more deeper, grungy tones, but I love them both. Like, if I didn't have this YouTube channel and I was watching somebody on YouTube play with these palettes, I'd be like, yeah, I want to pick them up both. And you can on November the 10th, $63 with the discount code Steff or anybody else's affiliate code that saves you 10% off. And yeah, guys, I think they're totally worth owning. And again, I like that they're 9-pan palettes. Great job, Ladybug Glow. These are getting 2 thumbs up from me. Now I want to hear from you guys. Which one of these little cutie palettes was your favorite? Are you Krampus Continued? Are you still in Halloween mode? Or are you already in the Christmas spirit and you're liking Krampus Eve? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.